Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the lasso select feature in Photopea. So find this circular icon on the left here, right click on it, and you've got three presets, three functions to use here, which is the usual lasso select, polygonal and magnetic, and the magnetic one is something I'm going to use today to show you, demonstrate how to use this one. So let's click on it. Just make sure that you zoom in the photo so that it's more comfortable to use. Just press Alt and the mouse wheel. So I'm going to remove the top part. I'm going to remove the seat from the chair. So how do you do this? Is you click on the edge here like this, and as you can see it starts the selection, and you just drag. You don't have to press the left mouse button all the time. It just does it automatically. Let's just draw our mouse to the next edge, and now when you reach the edge, just press the left mouse button again. As you can see, it saves the selection of one of our sides of the chair. Now let's go to the next one. Now from here, let's go to this side, down here, click again, and like this to the edge. And now as you can see, it changes to this like white color. As you can see, this means that you have successfully selected one of the parts of your photo or a picture, and now you just press delete, and as you can see, it completely removes one of the parts of our photo that you have selected. You can do the same thing, for example, with the chair legs, right? You can just choose the leg and completely remove it if you want, and you can do the same thing with any photo basically. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.